Hello friends! The next generation BMW X5 G65. Let's take a look at what the car will look like. Thanks to the latest information, we have the opportunity to do this and evaluate the appearance of the future legendary BMW X5 right now. The premiere of the new generation X5 is expected in the first half of next year. Enjoy watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.